Hi friends, in my last video we had seen how to flip the right angle triangle. So today's video we will just look into the program inverting of right angle triangle. So how to invert? Let's execute this program. I enter the input. I enter the input as 5. As we can see, we just got the output like flipped right angle triangle. So now we will just reverse this right angle triangle. So how to reverse? So we want 5 lines at the top and one star at the bottom. So it's very simple. So it's as we know what is the last number of stars we want to print. So we need to assign those things to the rows. Okay, now rows is greater than or equal to 1 because the last star we want to print is 1 and we want to reduce the rows length. Okay, now let's execute this. Yeah, we can see that inverted flip triangle. So this is how we can flip the invert the flipped right angle triangle. Thank you friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.